The KUTAVAR CNC plasma cutting table keeps your workflow smooth and your parts sharp. We help you keep control of your costs whilst delivering premium quality products for your customers. The KUTAVAR interface allows for an intuitive operation whilst integrating with your existing IT infrastructure. Your CAD files can be accessed direct from your existing IT network or from a USB device. Simply select your files and upload them to the KUTAVAR software. Changing your drawings can be done quickly and efficiently, so there's no need to go back to the drawing board anymore. By enabling you to input functions such as sheet size, material, gauge and cost price, the KUTAVAR software can nest your parts in the most cost-effective layout and calculate your cost per part. The accuracy of your cut parts starts from the ground up, which is why the KUTAVAR machine itself is manufactured to the closest tolerances. An accurately designed and manufactured tool leads to precise parts for you and your customers. Intuitive operation, repeatable accuracy, precision cutting. This is KUTAVAR.